In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money by selling locally on Facebook Marketplace, focusing on what sells during the summer. As we go through this process, you'll learn how to effectively create and manage your listings to maximize visibility and sales. Let's get started. First, begin by going to Facebook. Once you're logged into your account, look to the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll down a bit until you see the option that says See More. Click on that, and you'll notice several additional features appear, and among them will be the Marketplace feature. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. Upon entering the Marketplace, look towards the left of your screen for an option labeled Create New Listing. Click it and you'll proceed to select the type of listing you want to create. Facebook provides you with several options such as item for sale, vehicle for sale, home for rent, and more. Choose the one that best describes what you are selling. In most cases, this will be item for sale. Next, it's time to add photos of your product. Be sure to include high-quality images that capture your item from different angles. Good lighting and clear focus will make your product more appealing. Remember, a well-photographed item is much more likely to grab attention. Now, let's move on to adding a catchy title for your listing. A descriptive and engaging title can work wonders in attracting buyers, so make sure it accurately reflects the item and piques interest. After that, set a fair and competitive price. Take a look at similar items on Marketplace to gauge an appropriate price. This step is crucial. Overpricing might drive potential buyers away, while underpricing could devalue your item. Next, you'll choose a category that best fits your product. This helps potential buyers find your listing when browsing specific sections. Then select the condition of the item, whether it's new, used, or refurbished. Honesty in this section is key to maintaining trust with buyers. Once your item's condition is set, add a detailed description. Think about what features set your item apart and include any relevant specifications or dimensions. This is your opportunity to provide buyers with all the necessary information. In addition to the description, you can add tags related to your item to make it more searchable. For example, if you're selling a bike, use tags like exercise, outdoor, or transportation. Don't forget to set your location. This tells buyers where they can expect to pick up the item or where it's being shipped from. Finally, decide on the delivery method. You can choose to offer local pickup, or if it's feasible, you can offer shipping. Once everything looks good, hit next. Review your listing one last time and then click publish. And just like that, your item is live on Facebook Marketplace, ready to be seen by local buyers. By following these steps, you're setting yourself